Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a Gmail account. Well, creating a Google account is very easy. You will need just some basic information like first name, last name, age, and location. So right now in any browser, type Gmail account. When you search for create your Google account, you will find this option. Click here. The sign up form will appear. Follow the directions by entering the required information. Right here, enter your first name and last name. Username will be actually your Gmail account. So my name is Hello and last name is Knowledge. It's not necessary to enter your real name. So whatever you want, enter it. Now I'm gonna type my username. Actually, I don't want this one. I will add my own. Hello Knowledge 2020. You can use letters, numbers, and periods. And then password. Gmail passwords are required to be at least 8 characters. You should use a combination of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and characters to have the safest password. Confirm. When you click on this I option, you can see your password. Now click on next. Hello, welcome to Google. Well, phone number is optional. If you want to add it. It's good for you. It's good for your account security, and it won't be visible to others. And you can also add your recovery email address. Now I'm gonna enter my birth date. Gender, select your gender from here. Next. Privacy and terms. Click on I agree. This is our Gmail email account. Okay.